Here, I will show you step by step how to install APK files or APK app in your Samsung Galaxy device. First of all, to download APK apps from a browser or from a app, we have to enable unknown permissions. So go to your settings. In settings, go down and tap on apps. Here, tap on this three dot, tap on spatial access. Here, tap on install unknown apps. And now, for example, I want to download unknown apps using my Google Chrome browser. So here's I'm just turning on Google Chrome browser to download install app, to download unknown apps basically. And now I'm just opening my Google Chrome browser. And in my browser, I'm searching for FB APK download. So all you have to need, search for the app that you want to download in APK version and open this website apkpo.com. This is a very popular website where you can download any kind of app APK file. So here I'm just tapping on download APK and again tapping on download APK, tapping on download anyway, and here you can see the app is downloading. Once the APK file downloaded, now we have to open our My Files or File Manager and go to Downloads folder. And here you will find the APK file. Now it's time to install APK. Just open the APK file and tap on install, and the APK app or APK file will be installed in your device. So that's how you can install APK file or app in our Galaxy device. Thanks for watching.